Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to import audio on Invideo. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Invideo's website. Log in using your user credentials and you will be on this page. Now if I want to import audio to Invideo, I will have to simply go to My Projects, click on Create First Video, select Editor, choose a dimension. This will open up a new project. Now in order to import an audio, I will have to click on this Upload Media button in this Invideo editor. So I will click on Upload Media. This will bring up this pop-up. I will click on the Browse button here and this is going to open my PC's directory. Here, navigate to the audio that you want to import. For example, I want to import this audio. So I will select it and click on Continue. Now when I click on Continue, I will see this file getting uploaded on my PC. In order to bring this to my timeline, I will have to click on this plus icon and this will be added as a layer. Now you can click on this play button. You can import more audios by clicking on Upload Media, clicking on Browse, choosing the audio from your PCs directly, clicking on Open, and this will bring up that audio. You can also left click it and drag it on the timeline and this will bring up that music instantly. So that's the simple way to import audio in Invideo. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.